the very important 5 constructions for your public exam. The first construction is circumcircle, second one rectangle and square of equal area, tangent at a given point, tangent from an external point to a circle, and the last one is semicircle. First one, circumcircle. Draw a triangle of circumradius 3 cm and the angles 50 degree and 60 degree. For doing this construction, first of all, I have drawn a circle of radius 3 cm and I have joined a radius. Okay. Now we need the angles of the triangle to be equal to 50 degree and 60 degree. So you have to take the double of 50 degree, which is equal to 100 degree, and the double of 60 degree. So we are going to mark 100 degree, 120 degree, and the remaining angle is 140 degree. First of all, we have drawn a circle, we have drawn a radius. Now measure 100 degree and 120 degree using a protractor. Then the remaining angle would be equal to 140 degree. So keep your protractor on this radius and measure 100 degree. So you have 100 degree here. Join it using a scale. Now measure 120 degree and join it again. Keep your protractor on this line on the radius and measure 120 degree. So you get 120 degree. So we have taken 100 degree here and we have measured 120 degree here. The remaining angle is equal to 140 degree. Now name these 3 points as the vertices A, B, C of a triangle. Now join A, B and C using your scale. So this is how we draw the circle of a triangle. Okay, a similar question. Draw a triangle of circumradius 3 cm and 2 of its angles 32.5 and 37.5. For drawing it, draw a circle, draw a radius. Now take double of 32.5, you get 65 degree. Take the double of 37.5, you get 75 degree. Now you have to mark 65 degree and 75 degree using protractor. Keep your protractor on this radius and measure 65 degree. So 65 degree is here. Now measure 75 degree. Keep your protractor on this line and measure 75 degree. So 75 degree is here. Join 75 degree. Now name these 3 points. Let me name the points as P, Q and R. Now join P, Q and R. I will show you. So we are joining P to R. Then you join P to Q and Q to R. So this is our required triangle. From the figure you can understand this is a acute angled triangle and this triangle is going to be an obtuse angled triangle because this angle is going to be an obtuse angle. We have marked this angle as 65 degree. So we have marked POQ to be equal to 65 degree. Therefore, PRQ will be equal to half of it, that is equal to 32.5. Similarly, here we have marked 75 degree. Angle ROQ is 75 degree, and so RPQ will be equal to 37.5 degree. Do you understand? Third construction, tangent at a given point. Look at the question. Draw a circle of radius 2 cm. Mark a point A on the circle. Draw a tangent through A. So first of all, you have to measure 2 cm in your compass and draw a circle. So I am drawing a circle of radius 2 cm. Mark its center. I have marked its center as O. Draw a circle of radius 2 cm. Mark its center as O. Now, extend the radius. We know the radius is equal to 2 cm. So, I have extended the radius and mark this point as A. We are going to draw tangent at the point A. Keep your compass at A and draw 2 arcs of equal length on both sides of A. Keep your compass at A. Draw 2 arcs of the same length on both sides of A. Now, keep your compass at these 2 arcs and draw 2 more arcs of the same radius. So, you will get 2 arcs and they meet at a point. Now, join this point to A, you get the tangent. So, children, you can understand this is a tangent. A tangent is always perpendicular to the radius. So, I can mark 90 degree over here. Okay, look at the fourth construction. Tangents from external point. Draw a circle of radius 2 cm. Mark a point P 5 cm away from the center. Draw 2 tangents and measure their length. First of all, I have drawn a circle of radius 2 cm. Now I have to mark a point P which is 5 cm away from the center. So from the center you have to mark 5 cm. Mark a point 5 cm away from the center and let us name this point as P and let the center be equal to O. We have to draw tangents from P. For drawing tangents, draw the perpendicular bisector of the line OP that you have studied in 8th standard. Keep your compass at O. Take half more than OP. Draw 2 arcs above and below OP. Same way, keep your compass at P. Cut the previous arcs with the same radius. So you will get 2 arcs intersecting at 2 points. Now join these 2 arcs. So when you join these 2 arcs, you get the perpendicular bisector of this line. Now keep your compass at this point and draw a circle passing through O and P. Okay, keep your compass at this point and adjust your compass. You will be able to draw a circle passing through O and P. The circle, cut the small circle at 2 points. Let us name the 2 points as A and B. Now join PA and PB. They are the tangents to the smaller circle. Is it clear to you? I have joined PA and PB. Now use your scale and measure PA and PB. They will be equally measured. Look at the last construction in circle. Draw a circle of radius 2 cm. Draw a triangle with angles 40 degree, 60 degree and 80 degree whose sides are tangents to the circle. That is, we are going to draw a in-circle of a triangle. First of all, I have drawn a circle of the given radius 2 cm. Now join the center to a point on a circle. Let me name this point as A. Now we know the angles of the triangle are to be 40 degree, 60 degree and 80 degree. Since one angle is 40 degree, we have to measure 140 degree at the center because these two angles are supplementary. Similarly, for getting 60 degree as angle of a triangle, we have to measure 120 degree at the center. And for getting 80 degree, we have to measure 100 degree at the center. I will show you how. Now 140 degree. Keep your protractor on this radius. So 140 degree is here. Use your scale and join this. So you got 140 degree. The central angle here is equal to 140 degree. I have measured 140 degree. Now keep your protractor on this radius and measure 120 degree. 0, 10, 20, 120 degree is here. Use your scale and join it. Here the angle is equal to 120 degree. Now the remaining angle is equal to 100 degree. So you can understand the remaining angle to be equal to 100 degree. Okay children, now you got 3 points. Let me name it as A, B, C. Now through these points A, B and C, you have to draw tangents to the circle. Okay, now we are going to draw tangents through the points A, B and C. Okay, so let me draw a tangent through A. So this is a tangent through A. Using scale, I have drawn a tangent through A. Now draw a tangent at B. The line should be a perpendicular line. Okay, tangent is always perpendicular to the radius. So here I have drawn the next tangent at B. Now draw the tangent at C also. Now the 3 tangents you have drawn meet at 3 points. Let me name these 3 points as PQR. Since this angle is 140 degree, you can say this angle to be equal to 40 degree. It is because these two angles are supplementary. This is 100, therefore angle at P is equal to 80 degree. 100 plus 80, 180. This is 120, therefore angle at R is equal to 60 degree. Is it clear to you children? Please learn all these constructions. It will help you in your public exam. Thank you.